Prospero. This blue-eyed hag was hither brought with child. Hag means an old ugly woman, right? So this blue-eyed hag was hither brought with child, and here was left by the sailors. And this ugly old witch, clear, with pale blue eyes, she was brought here to this island while she was pregnant, and here was left by the sailors, and she was left here on this island by the sailors. Thou, my slave, as thou reportest thyself, was then her servant, and you, who are my slave, clear, and as you have told me by yourself that at that time you served her, you were her servant, and for thou was a spirit too delicate to act her earthy and abhorred command. Abhorred means hateful. Earthy means coarse, curse, unrefined. Clear? Refusing her grand hests. Hest means command. Grand means powerful. She did confine thee by help of her more potent minister, and in her most unmitigable rage into a cloven pine. Right? Now she said, for thou was a spirit too delicate to act her earthy and abhor command, refusing her grand hests. Said, as you were too delicate spirit to carry out her coarse and evil orders, as you are too delicate, you cannot carry out her coarse, her unrefined and horrible orders. Refusing her grand haste, you refuse to obey her powerful commands. She did confine thee by the help of her more potent minister in her unmitigable rage. So she was annoyed because you refused to obey her. She was annoyed with you beyond any measure. Therefore, in her unmitigable rage, in her uncompromising anger, with the help of her more powerful minister, she confined you, she captured you here in the cloven pine tree, in a split pine tree. She made you a prisoner in a split pine tree, within which rift imprisoned thou didst painfully remain a dozen year, 12 years, and for 12 years, within which rift means split, within which rift imprisoned thou didst painfully remain a dozen year, and for 12 years you suffered the torment of the imprisonment. In that split of the pine tree, painfully you were imprisoned for 12 years, within which space she died, and during this period she died and left thee there, and she left you, leaving you as a prisoner for life, where thou didst vent thy groan as fast as mill wheels strike. And so there in the split pine tree, you used to groan repeatedly, you used to cry repeatedly like the wheels of the mill in their revolution striking the water. Then was this island safe for the sun that she did litter here. A freckle, freckle means having brown spots. Whelp means like a pup. It is a term that it is an abusive language, right? Hag born, not honored with a human shape. And at the time, then this island safe for her son that she did litter here, and at that time when she died, this island was totally uninhabited. Nobody was here except the child to whom she has given birth. And this son of the witch, he was no better than a dog with his spotted body. Ariel, yes, Caliban, her son. Ariel said yes. Her son was Caliban. Prospero, dull thing. I say so, a stupid creature. That is exactly what I am saying. He, that Caliban, whom now I keep in service. That is what I am saying. He is Caliban. Whom am I? I am keeping in my service. Who is my servant now? Thou best knowest. You know very well. What torment I did find thee. You know very well. Clear. The severe tortures in which I find you. You know very well the torture that you suffered. Clear. When I found you. Thy groan did makes wolves howl and penetrate the breast of ever angry bears, and your groans. Clear. Your groans, your crying, it made the wolves howl, and the savage bear, even the wild bear, savage bears feel sympathy for you. In such a painful condition, you cried. It was torment to lay upon the dam, which Sycorax could not again undo. It was a torment, it was a torture to lay upon the dam, it was a torture fit to be inflicted on those who were sent to hell. This sort of torture is given in the hell, which Sycorax could not again undo, and Sycorax could not undo the curse. Even Sycorax herself could not undo the curse. It was mine art when I arrived here and heard thee that made gape the pine tree and let thee out. And it was when I arrived there, it was my powerful magic. It was my powerful magic which let you out. When I arrived here in this island, I heard your groans. Clear. I opened the pine tree with my magics and let you free. Ariel, I thank thee, master, master. I thank you for that. Prospero, if thou more murmurest, I will rend an oak and peg thee in his knotty entrails. Peg means fasten करना. जैसे कील ठोकते ना कहीं पे, pegging, that is known as fasten. In the knotty entrail, till thou hast howled away for 12 winters. Entrail means roots. Now, if you murmurest, if you grumble again, if you complain again, I will rend an oak tree. I will split an oak tree and make you prisoner within its knotty roots. तो उसकी जो roots होती हैं, I will enslave you there. I will fasten you there with its knotty roots till you cry in pain for another 12 years. For another 12 years, I will imprison you there. If you again make a complaint. Ariel, pardon, master, I beg your pardon. I will be correspondent to command and do my splitting gently. It's like I will obey all your orders and I will do my duty willingly now. Prospero, do so, and after 2 days I will discharge thee. Prospero say, okay, do so, follow my command, and after 2 days I will free you. I will discharge you from my services. Ariel, that's my noble master. Now you are my noble master. What shall I do? Say what? What shall I do? Tell me, give me orders. What shall I do for you? Prospero, go make thyself a nymph. Nymph is a water fairy. Fine. So we find that Ariel is an airy spirit. He can work in the air and he can work on the earth and he can work in water also. Is it clear? Go make thyself a nymph of the sea. Be subject to no sight but thine and mine, invisible to every eyeball. So now go change yourself into a sea nymph. Make yourself invisible to no sight but thine and mine. Make yourself invisible to all eyes except mine. Only I can see you. Go take this shape and hither come into, go hence with diligence. Now go take this form and then come here. Carry out this order promptly. Exit Ariel. So children, here we have finished with the introduction of Ariel. We came to know about Ariel's past, how Prospero got Ariel into his service. Clear? That all we came to know. Now, in the next conversation, we'll come to know about the Caliban. So, as you are going to get your holidays from 1st to 11th, so revise whatever we have done, and rest we will start when the school will be open, when the online classes will be resumed after vacations. Okay, thank you. Any problem you are having, you may ask. Thank you.